Have you ever stared at your hairbrush, wondering how much of your hair ended up there? Again? Or maybe you've tried every oil under the sun, coconut, castor, argan, hoping for that miracle regrowth. But still your hair just keeps falling? You're not alone. Millions of women feel this heartbreak every single day. And here's the part that no one talks about. 90% of women are actually using hair oils the wrong way. Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Glownest, your safe space for women's wellness. If you're struggling with hair fall, slow growth, or thinning, this video might be the turning point you've been waiting for. Let's be real. As women, we're told that oiling our hair is the secret to long, thick, shiny locks. Our moms did it. Our grandmas swore by it. And so we keep oiling. Yet our hair still breaks, thins, and sometimes even sheds more after an oil massage. Why? Because the way we're using hair oils is outdated, and sometimes even damaging. The truth is, most of us apply oils thinking they'll nourish the roots, but in reality, we're often clogging the scalp, trapping dirt, and creating the perfect environment for breakouts, dandruff, and even more hair fall. You see, our scalp is skin, just like our face. If you layered thick oil over dirty skin without cleansing first, you'd break out, right? Well, our scalp reacts the same way. Oil traps heat, blocks follicles, and if not removed properly, it suffocates your roots. And while hair oils can be amazing, they need to be used wisely. Let's talk about how to do that. Okay, now for the part you've been waiting for. How to actually make hair oils work for you instead of against you. Always apply oil to a clean scalp. If your hair is full of sweat, dust, or product buildup, oiling will only seal all that gunk in. Pro tip: wash your hair the day before or the morning of your oiling session for the best results. Gently warm your oil before applying. Warm oil penetrates deeper and boosts circulation. How? Just 10-15 seconds in a bowl of hot water, not microwave. We don't want to kill the nutrients. While your scalp does need love, don't forget the ends of your hair. They're the oldest and most fragile. Massage tip: use fingertips, not nails. A soft circular massage for 5-7 minutes boosts blood flow and encourages growth. I know, the overnight oiling trend is huge, but the truth is, keeping oil for too long, especially in humid climates, can cause scalp fungus or dandruff. Ideal time: keep oil for 45 minutes to 1 hour before washing with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Pure coconut or castor oil might work for some, but multi-herb blends are usually more effective. They offer a balanced nutrition profile and often reduce scalp inflammation too. Now, I know many of you have tried everything, and you're just tired. If you're looking for a more holistic, ready-made solution, I genuinely recommend checking out a product called Foley Prime. It's a hair serum that combines traditional plant-based oils with modern science, specifically designed to detox and nourish the scalp. What makes it special is that it supports scalp health from within, not just by coating the hair. It includes Egyptian-inspired ingredients known for deep detox, and it's super lightweight. No greasy mess. And no, you don't need to use it forever. Just a few drops in your routine can genuinely make a difference, especially if you've been struggling for a long time. Look, your hair journey is yours. There's no one miracle oil or magic potion, but there is hope, and there are smarter ways to care for your crown. You are not failing at hair care. You were just never told the full truth. So start small, be gentle with your scalp, choose the right oils. And if you want a little extra support, I've added the link to Foley Prime in the description. Feel free to check it out if you're looking for support. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your sister or anyone who needs this. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more heart-to-heart wellness guidance right here on Glownest.